Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to you all. Topic for this video is how to earn money from Quora. You must be knowing Quora is a knowledge sharing society where you can answer to the questions given by so many people in the Quora platform. In this Quora platform, if you start writing answers to the questions asked by so many Quora followers, slowly you will earn following and slowly you will get more views. Now the question is how to earn money from Quora. Is it really possible? Yes, it is really possible. In this video, I am going to tell you how to earn money from Quora, because today morning I received a notification from Quora asking me to subscribe to the Quora partnership program to earn money. To earn money in the Quora, you have to create a space. Now without any delay, let me show you the notification which I received from Quora.com and how to start earning money in Quora.com. This is a genuine information because I have been writing in Quora.com for so many years. I can say for the past 6 years I have been writing in Quora.com. I have more than 250 followers and I have more than 4 lakhs views in Quora.com. So recently I created one space. So to earn money in Quora.com, you have to create one space. Today I received a notification from Quora.com asking me to enter into their partnership program to start earning money. So without any delay, let me show you the notification which I received from the Quora.com and how you can start earning money after creating a space in the Quora.com. Let me first log in into my Quora account. Now here you can see my Quora account. Let me show you the notifications. Today I received a notification from Quora.com. So here is the notification. Quora wants to share its revenue with space owners. Check if you are eligible to participate. So let us click that. It will take you into my Quora space. This is the space I have created in Quora.com. The heading of the space is Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. I generally write answers to the doubts asked by so many Quora followers regarding Kendriya Vidyalaya. Here you can see the detailed notification I received from Quora.com. Grow your space readership and earn money. You are invited to the Space Earnings Beta program where Quora shares its revenue with space owners. Here is how to participate. Check if you reside in a supported country. Under that, first one is check if you reside in a supported country. Second point, reach $10 in total earnings. Receive payments from Quora. Once you verify that you reside in a supported country, we will let the admins, moderators and contributors know that you have enrolled in the program. By clicking get started, I verify that I reside in. As I reside in India, I have to select country India and then I have to click get started. Here you can see there are so many countries given in this option. That means the people who are residing in these countries are eligible to get money from Quora by creating a space. So let us click get started. Once you click get started, here are the few steps. Complete the following steps to start receiving payments. $0 total so far. First requirement is earn a minimum of $10 with KVS. A space earning increases as its readership grows. I try to click but it is not accepting. That means it is auto selected. Once the space reach $10, it will be automatically selected by Quora only. Once the space reach $10, then we have to wait for eligibility review. Once the eligibility review is also completed from Quora side, then we have to connect to our bank account. Connect your bank account via Stripe. That means Quora.com will ask us to connect our bank account via Stripe. After completion of the first two steps, we have to earn first $10 and then we have to eligible for the Quora review. Once Quora successfully reviews our eligibility, then we have to connect our bank account via Stripe. Without earning minimum $10 in your space, Quora will not review your eligibility criteria and Quora will not allow you to connect your bank account via Stripe to receive money. Here are some common questions. How does a space earn money on Quora? Let us click. A space earnings is based on how much people engage with the space and the advertising revenue generated from their usage. Second one, how can space owners share their space earning with others? Means if you have contributors and if you have collaborators and if you invite some others also to join with your space and to contribute answers and material into your space, you have to share your earnings with your contributors also. Another question is how and when are payments made from Quora site? Quora clarifies in this answer that we use Stripe to manage payments. If the space has a balance of more than $10 at the end of the month, the balance is paid out to the connected Stripe account by the 10th of the next month. So far you may be knowing how to earn money in Quora.com by asking many questions. You must be knowing that people who ask questions in Quora.com, they are getting money from Quora.com by asking questions, and you have been writing answers to those questions thinking that you are contributing something to the society by sharing your knowledge. But actually people who are asking questions to you are making money from Quora.com. Quora pays money to those people who ask questions in Quora.com. But this is another way. As a writer, you can earn money from Quora.com by creating space. Being a writer, being a good writer, being a good content writer, you can also start earning money by creating space in your Quora account. So create a space, invite followers into your space and start earning money. In this way, you can start earning money in Quora.com by writing good answers. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Swami Vijay. So thanks for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you can receive latest updates, the information the moment I upload videos on the YouTube. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care. All the best. Stay home, stay safe and stay strong. All the best.